So what tapes do I use for my artwork? The four main ones I use here are the packaging, electrical, masking, and painters. The first one we have here, the clear standard packaging tape. The second one, the black electrical tape. The most common, which is the masking tape. And the very last one here, the painter's tape in blue. The one I use most often is the blue masking tape, but let's talk about the clear one. The clear masking tape is a bit sticky, so I don't ever really use that one unless I'm packaging something. And the black electrical tape, I don't really use that for much of my drawings or anything. The standard masking tape I do use quite often, but it tends to be a bit too sticky sometimes, and if you take a piece off and you put it on, say, part of your shirt, your pant leg, it makes it less sticky. And my favorite go-to is the blue painter's tape. It also comes in green and other various colors and different widths and lengths. And I like to use this to hold down my artwork because it's not so sticky to where it will rip the paper, and I can put it on all four corners when I'm doing a watercolor, and it'll help make a border. And same if I'm doing graphite or charcoal drawings. It's very versatile, it's cheap, easy to use, and it comes off the paper pretty easily. The masking tape here, I don't use quite as often, but I use that second. Electrical tape I use the third most often, and the clear tape I used fourth most often. And the blue painter's tape is my absolute favorite. It holds things down well, and it doesn't rip the paper. Although sometimes it might be a little bit sticky, all you have to do is put it on a part of your clothing and just put it on there and then take it off and then put it back on again, and it'll become less sticky. These are the four tapes that I use, and I hope you found this helpful.